Here are 3 ways to quickly create a numbered list. First, type number 1 in Excel. Select the cell and drag with the corner down while holding the Control button. And if you want to make a longer list even quicker, use the sequence function. Type equal sequence and then indicate the number you want get to. Press enter and you have your list. This blue box appears indicating formula is creating all the rows. The third way is to do a series. Type 1 in the cell and the Home tab and select Fill and then Series. Choose columns. Indicate if you have number going to rows or columns. And then enter your staff value. Then OK. And you have your numbered list. Scroll then and scroll up. That would be all, sir, and that is my 3 ways to quickly create a numbered list. Thank you.